Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service interval of your Audi A1 or S1. For this, you will need a scanner, an OBD2 scanner. This OBD2 scanner I plugged in the OBD2 slot, as you can see. There it is. And now we have to get the ignition on. You do not have to run the engine, only in position 1 to get the ignition on. That is enough for this action here. As you can see, there is inspection. That means it is service time in 20 days, okay? So now let's get back to the OBD scanner tool, and we have to go to VA Diagnostics. Take care, this has to be your scanner who should do the service reset. As you can see, there is service and reset. Press OK, say yes, we will perform this. And now he's going inside the electronic parts. And take care, the scanner has to be supported the reset part, and then you can have an oil service, inspection service, and reset ESI, and so many other different things. But I am going to show you the inspection service as well. That means you can reset the oil too by the scanner, but the oil reset you can perform with your board computer on board of the Audi itself. You have to do this, I think, all 1 or 2 years. 1 year for oil, and I think all second year for service itself. And now you can see it is in progress. Service reset is in progress, and if the machine does the job done, our service information here, jobs done, durchgeführt, that means okay, jobs done. Now we can go back by using the enter key, and let's try out the computer of the Audi itself. Okay, first, but we have unplug the scanner for a better understanding. You can see now I am reset the ignition, and you can see there is no inspection or service information now more. To see your service information, you can push on the left side the key until the clock is flashing, and then do a checkup because of the service. 455 kilometers or days, 455 days, sorry about that, 27,200 kilometers. That means this little scanner has the jobs done. Good scanner. So easy it is. Tiny scanner, jobs done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Good tool, really good tool.